Christopher Xu, and this is my code for my C++ project. And here in my code, I have including the header file IOStream for use in the input output of my program, which I use objects such as cin and cout to take user input and potentially print output to the screen. Next, I have the header file fstream. This is very useful for allowing me to both open output files to write text to or open input files to read from. Next, I include the string header file. This is only included in my function so that I could allow strings to be passed into my function right here. And the using namespace standard basically allows me to use input output objects such as cin and cout without the this prefix over here. Next, I have a little function prototype of that returns a boolean called write my info, which takes three strings: file name, full name, and last four digits. And we'll see what that does later. In my main function, I have three strings, which is the file name myinfo.txt, which I'll be writing output to, my full name right here, and the last four digits of my phone number. Next, if write my info is true, and that means that I have successfully written output to the text file, then I output a little statement saying the file was successfully created. Else, I have to say that the file failed to create. And finally, I return 0 for a successful completion of my code. Next, this is what my file actually does. So inside my file, I open a output file named out file, and I name it file name, which is myinfo.txt over here. And if I, for some reason, cannot open the out file, then I have to output an error that says I cannot open this and return false, which then allows the computer to print failed to create in the console. Next, if the output file does successfully open, then I use the stream insertion operator to write the full name to the output file as well as the last four digits of my phone number that is separated by space. Next, I finally just close the output file to not have any little confusions with data and return true, which allows me to print out that my info.txt was created successfully. Now let's see this in action. Let me run this. Yep, and see, let's go right here. Yep, and prints my name successfully. All right, thank you.